You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Item provided by Spin Master for review. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. It's Elisa's day and Daddy Day and crafting day.
Yes.
Another project for us to do together on video. This is the Cool Maker Tudy Dye Station.
But we do need to say thanks to Spin Master for sending us this awesome set. It's also ages 8+.
Tie-dye the stylish way.
Okay.
The color is in the string.
Create endless designs. Okay.
2 projects, and then make your own. So you can do the 2 projects that are included and then do stuff on your own. Because it says in the corner there, the t-shirts are not included.
Okay.
Now, I know you and your sister have done tie-dye. I remember seeing big buckets everywhere of liquid, all right? Tie-dye the stylish way. The colors in the string create endless pattern combinations, headband, and tote bag projects included. Create your own designs. Wrap it, dye it, and wear it. And there's a whole paragraph here. Let's see. Cool Maker gives aspiring designers all the tools needed to make amazing creations they'll be proud to share. Our Cool Maker sets are made by real designers who look at the latest trends in fashion and design for inspiration. We got everything from how-to videos, vlogs, and an engaging website to inspire your next creation. Become a Cool Maker. You'll be amazed at what you create next.
Okay.
All right, so we've gotten through that. There's a YouTube channel and a website in the bottom left corner. We will come back. We will get this out of the package, and we will make some tidy dye.
All right, we are back.
All right, the YouTube Cool Maker at Cool Maker for how to video. Okay, so that's where you go for that. This is all getting started and setting up, but we have to get it out of the box first.
Yes.
Before play, follow getting started steps from the playbook. Okay, let me get you something here. I don't know, it's a roll. Check that out. And then there's a big base here.
It goes on here.
Yeah, somewhere. I don't know yet.
That.
No, there's got to be another piece. See that?
Okay.
And that.
But we have to read the instructions, so.
Read the instructions. I think that's it. We got it all out.
All right.
Simple enough. All right, so. And then we have these packs. Oh, this has our supplies in it. Unfold that.
Okay.
Oh, and here's your bag.
This looks like the headband.
Yeah, headband in the bag. A couple straps. We don't know what those are for yet. And then here's some plastic bags and gloves. All right.
Okay.
Okay, so let's just see. Maybe we could do the basic setup and then come. Yeah, put the ends in. Okay, now that should fit over that.
Yes.
The bands are probably what we need to maybe twist around it to hold it in place. Getting started. Okay, we did that. All right, so here's all the parts diagrams. All right, let's get these out of the bag. Hold that up so everybody could read that. Right, it's telling everybody what the parts are. The strings, and then the roller, and then the straps. Okay, so here's the strings. Okay, we'll have to learn about this. I guess starting any new craft, you have to study and learn about what you're doing. All right, so there's the colors. All right, so let's read up on that. We're going to come back now after we read it, and then we will get started, see what we need to do.
All right.
Oh, wait, one more. Hold on, last color. There's all of our pretty colors. We'll be right back. All right, Elise, are you set?
Yes.
So we read all the instructions off camera. Still not sure how to do it because we've never done it before. We have a good idea.
Exactly.
So first things first is you need to wet your object. So she's going to take the headband and dip it in there and kind of just move it around and get it nice and wet. Now while that's soaking, they give you instruction guide for colors. And then the big sheet of plastic that I took out, that's your base. You're going to put that down first. And basically, once it's soaking wet, we're going to use that to put on the roller here. Now your strings have this cutter inside, so you're going to pull and eventually cut. And this is your tension wheel. So as you're pulling, you apply tension so the string goes tight around the object that you're using it on. So let's just say orange is your first color. I'd be holding this tension wheel as I turn, and it would slowly going to tie around here and create tension and move down the slide there to cover up. I don't know, let's just let it sit a little bit longer while I chit chat with everybody. So I guess that wheel will also let you pull it back. All right. So what color do you think you'd want to do first on the headband? Let's figure that out.
I think the blue.
All right, so the blue. So let's move these out of the way. All right, so we'll put the blue down, take the lid off. That's what that is. It's a little notch there. It just slides in so you can move it along. Okay. Now, once that is good, give it a little ring, but you still want it good and wet. Let's see. Here we are. Fold very wet headband lengthwise in half. So let's set that out here. Why don't you grab it? Just give it a little ring. You want to ring it out just a little. So take it like this. Give it a little.
Oh, okay.
Okay, good and wet. Now fold this in half. Okay, you're going to go that way. Very good. That's nice and wet. Okay, good. And then we're going to start here. And then they want this band. This is your holding and support band.
Oh.
That's going to come around here. And it's going to lock on up here.
Okay.
Once I get the right setting. Let's go up one more. It's actually hard when you've got wet fingers. Look at that. See, it's slipping right off. Okay, then those clip in. And supposedly, that's going to hold that in place. And then wrap this around. Good. And then you take your other band now. Let's get that out of the way. And twist it around here and lock it in on this end. Now these bands, from what I could tell, have a dual purpose. It's where you're going to hold the string in.
Okay.
The little string going to hold into that area there. You ready? Good.
There we go.
This one got laid out here. Come on. Come on, buddy. It's hard when your hands are wet.
Mm-hmm.
There, maybe you can. Here, let's just do this again. There we go. There we go. Okay.
Okay, there we go.
That is locked in and ready. Okay, so this looks like we are ready. So our first,
Let me move this.
yeah, you can move that out of the way. They say have plenty of paper towels around. All right, so let's move this in. And now we're going to take the blue, okay,
Yeah.
and we're going to lock it in.
All right.
We'll do it in, I don't know if it matters if it's 1 or 2, but we'll lock it in 2. And then you're going to turn. See that? Yeah, you turn.
Okay.
I'll go across with you. It feels like it's got good tension, but I'm going to give it a little tension. Keep going.
Should I go a little faster or just keep
No,
it at this
yeah,
pace?
keep it
Okay.
this speed. Get a little tension. Okay, right there. Now we're going to cut this. So if you take this like this, cut it here. Okay, now plug it into one of those little slots there. Make it tight. Pull it tight. There you go. Okay, now this has to sit overnight, so we're going to have to come back, but at least we'll get this set.
There we
Okay, next color.
go. How about yellow?
Yellow, okay. So we'll take this off. Lock it into this one. All right, go ahead. Teamwork.
Okay.
I'm giving it tension, so. I see the blue is already starting to show. All right, go ahead. You're doing good. Oh, we'll cross over. Okay, we're crossing over, everybody. Okay. Oop, I gotta move quicker. Go ahead. All right, you try to
Okay.
cut this now. Just take it and put it on both sides and pull through.
Is it in there?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes.
Pull towards me. No? Okay, let me see.
It's not breaking.
Yeah, you gotta give it
okay.
a good pull. Lock that one in.
Okay.
All right, let's do a third color, huh? While we're here.
All right. Guess I can fit.
Purple pink, orange.
How about purple?
Purple is the color. Okay, we'll set it up in the next slot. Okay, we get a little tension.
Ready?
I am ready.
Okay, here we go.
I'm crossing over. Go ahead.
Okay.
I'm gonna come back. You don't have to be too precise here because you want it to be all looped over in the colors. Plus, it's our first time.
Mm-hmm.
Do you feel I can put tension? Watch, I can stop you from mowing. Okay, because I'm putting the tension on it.
Okay.
All right. Try cutting it again. So I want to see if you can get that done. Just put it in there and pull real hard. There you go.
Oh no!
Just loop it back around and then lock it into one of those. All right. I say one more color. Might as well while we're here, huh?
Okay.
Pink or orange?
How about orange?
Orange?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, I'm losing tension. Hold on. Let me go to the next one.
Okay.
It's probably why they have that many on there. So you go to the next one and the next one. I didn't even actually read that. So let me give it a little tension. Hold on a second. Wrap string tightly as shown by sliding color pad along track. Trim string and secure end onto slot and button. Remove color end from pack. Okay. And then 6. Wrap second color pod string tightly as shown. Okay. So you're moving through these different little sections. So we're good there. Trim string and secure end. Okay. So we're doing it right. Now you could probably start. We started at the. Yeah, go ahead. We started at the bottom. We probably could start at the top. I'm not sure if it really matters, but go ahead. Give it a shot. Okay. I'm giving it good tension. I'm going to cross over on this one.
I can go slower if you want.
No, you're good.
Okay.
I'm just sticking to everything. I got wet. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, there we go. Secure that one.
Will it fit? I don't think it can.
Well, go all the way back around. Let it finish its thing. And, oh, you don't think it'll fit in the next one?
No.
Then pull it to this one. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. That first one is set.
Okay.
I know. They want this stored in the bag overnight. So we can't really make another one.
Yeah.
So we have to end it there, I guess. So we'll come back. It says, remove barrel from the station, place project in plastic bag. For best results, leave overnight to achieve a strong color. All right, so we'll do that.
Okay.
We'll come back the next day and we'll see how it all turns out. All right, Elise is playing with her plastic gloves. We wanted to show you that they recommend you put your plastic gloves on when you take it out of the bag and also when you put it in the bag. So take the roller off.
Okay.
And then you can kind of look at it. All right, now put it in the bag. Oh, well, let me come around this way. We have a giant plastic bag. Okay, now we're going to wrap this up. But now it will protect my hands. Now you can see the purple's coming through nice, the blue is coming through nice, so it is starting to do the effect we want. So we'll see you tomorrow. All right, I am back. Elise is grabbing the headband on our... You all set? How did it turn out? Let everybody see. All right. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. Now let's take it out of the bag. So the next steps, hold it up and kind of twist it around so everybody can see it. Let's see, next steps. Wearing gloves.
Yes.
Check, good job. And then rinse the project on the barrel. Oh, Then remove project and rinse further. Then we squeeze the excess water and let it dry. All right, let's see. Let me just take a quick look. Roll it down here. Let's see. All right, so the colors have crossed over. Pretty neat.
Yeah.
And we put a lot of colors on there, so if you don't want it so colorful, we almost made it into a rainbow scarf, huh? I mean headband, sorry.
It's okay.
All right, so let's head over to the sink. We will rinse this now and then check it out. Okay, time to rinse it on the barrel. So start the water, not too hot so you don't burn yourself. And then just, tilt it in there and let it rinse out. We can see it all in this. Ooh, look at it all in the sink. Makes a nice, colorful project, huh? Okay, nice. All right, when you're ready, start taking it apart because then they want you to remove project and rinse further. There you go. Yep, just twist it all off.
Can you shake that?
There you go. Just leave them, like you left them hooked down and just twist the wire string off with it.
Okay. Oopsies.
Okay, now take off your headband.
There we go. Okay,
And
now
then
what do I do?
Rinse it again.
Okay.
Okay, now squish it now and rinse it. Squish it. Go ahead, squish it all out. Okay, now unfold it so we can see it. Remember, it's folded.
Cool. Okay, now do I rinse it again?
No, you gotta unfold it. Remember, it's two pieces. We folded it in half.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay, there you go. Kind of
It's difficult with these gloves.
Oh, I see. You're struggling. Ooh, now just kind of stretch it out here like this and let everybody see it. Ooh, that's pretty. Don't you think that's pretty?
Yeah.
All right, I say rinse it one more time and then squish it again. All right, I don't see anything else. I see clear water now. All right, good. All right, so squish it. All right, we're going to head back into the video booth. Check it out. It says let it dry, so maybe we'll put it in a fan for a few minutes and then check it out when it's a little more dry. We'll be right back. All right, we are back. What do you think, Elise?
It was pretty awesome.
So now that it's dried, it's not as vibrant. Would you admit that? Yes? Okay. And now you are flipping and flopping to kind of show how cool the colors are and how it worked out.
Yes.
Now, we're not going to do the second one in this set because this was over 2 days. It then ended up being over 4 days. But that gives you something to do later. Do you think you'll use it later and do the little bag?
Yeah.
All right, there you go. That is the Cool Maker Tudy Dye Station. And thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video of Elise and I crafting together. Here, I got to put it up here.
Okay.
Because I moved the camera way up there. At least project number 1 came out. We did it, and we like it.
Yes.
And thanks for watching. Later.
Bye.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave,
What's up, Butch?
make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.